Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix internet is not working on your iPhone when you're trying to browse anything on your Safari web browser, or if you're using any other web browser like Google Chrome. On that web browser you are getting this error, internet disconnected. As you can see guys in my screen, same error I also facing. This is very common issue, but the good news is you can fix it quickly. While you are facing the problem, you need to enable the airplane mode on your iPhone like this. Wait 10 seconds and turn it off. Open your web browser, try to browse anything. It will definitely fix your problem. Still the problem is same. Make sure Wi-Fi is connected properly or your mobile data is turned on. Okay, so in case there is no internet connection, at that time you can definitely face this kind of problem. First you need to sort out your internet issue. To sort out your internet issue, open any other app like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Let's see how the internet was performing on other app. If other app is working very perfectly fine, only you're facing the problem in your web browser, at that time you can try this method. Restart your iPhone. Okay, after restarting you need to update your web browser. Open App Store and search your web browser. If you are using Google Chrome or Safari, just need to search your web browser and open it. And if the app update is there, you need to simply update your browser. After doing this guys, open your web browser, try to browse, and it will 100% fix your problem. Still the problem is same. If you are connected the VPN on your iPhone, or you need to disconnect it. Open your iPhone settings. Here you need to search VPN and device management. If the VPN is there, you need to disconnect it from here. Okay, after doing this guys, hopefully this will help you to fix your problem. Still the problem is same. Open your iPhone settings once again, scroll down, and here you can get the option transfer or reset. Open it, tap on reset. From here you need to reset your network settings only. This will remove save Wi-Fi password while resetting your network. Okay, also you need to update your iPhone. Go to software update, and if the software update is there, simply go ahead update your iPhone. After updating, it will 100% fix your problem. After following this step, your internet should work normal again. If this video helped you out, so please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.